If your inventory is spread across spreadsheets, supplier messages, purchase orders, and manual stock counts, it becomes hard to know what you actually have, what needs to be reordered, and what is already on the way. Inventory Operating System brings those moving parts into one connected Notion system, so you can manage products, stock movements, suppliers, purchase orders, locations, and inventory health from one clean dashboard. The dashboard is designed to give you a quick operational overview. On the left, you have the core databases that power the system. In the main workspace area, you can immediately see what needs attention: low stock items, out-of-stock products, purchase orders in transit, orders that are still waiting, and recent stock activity. Instead of checking every database manually, the system surfaces the most important inventory signals first. The inventory database is where each product or material lives. Each item can have a SKU, category, supplier, primary location, cost, selling price, minimum stock level, and reorder quantity. The important part is that stock is not just typed in manually. Inventory OS connects each item to stock movements and purchase orders, then uses formulas to calculate inventory health, current stock, stock value, and stock status. This means you can quickly see which items are healthy, which ones are running low, and which ones need action. These two views are built for fast decisions. Low stock shows items that are approaching their minimum stock level. Out of stock shows items that need immediate attention. This is useful because you do not have to scan the full inventory list every day. The system automatically brings the risk areas forward, so your next action is easier to see. Stock movements is the activity log behind your inventory. Every purchase, sale, adjustment, or return can be recorded here. Each movement connects back to the product, location, and purchase order when needed. This is what keeps the system accurate. Instead of editing stock numbers directly, you record what happened, and Inventory OS turns those transactions into useful inventory data. Purchase orders help you track what has been ordered, who it is coming from, where it is going, and when it is expected to arrive. You can move a purchase order from draft to ordered, to in transit, to received, and finally closed. Because purchase orders are connected to suppliers, products, locations, and stock movements, you can see the full context around every incoming order. The suppliers database gives you a simple place to keep supplier information connected to the rest of your operations. You can store contact details, preferred items, active status, and related purchase orders. This makes it easier to answer practical questions like, who supplies this item? What products are tied to the supplier? And what purchase orders are currently connected to them? Locations help you understand where inventory lives. This is useful if your stock is split across warehouses, stores, supplier locations, or remote storage. Each location can connect to the inventory items stored there, related stock movements, suppliers, and purchase orders. So instead of only knowing what you have, you can also see where it is. The KPI section gives you a high-level snapshot of inventory performance. You can quickly see total stock value, total units in stock, total products, low stock items, and out-of-stock items. This turns the system from a simple tracker into a decision dashboard. A simple daily workflow could look like this. First, check the KPI snapshot. Then review low stock and out-of-stock items. Next, check which purchase orders are ordered or in transit. Finally, review recent transactions to make sure the system reflects what actually happened. That gives you a clear inventory routine without jumping between spreadsheets, notes, and separate supplier records. Inventory Operating System is built for business owners, operators, and teams who want a cleaner way to manage inventory inside Notion. If you want one connected place for products, stock activity, suppliers, purchase orders, locations, and inventory health, you can duplicate inventory and start customizing it for your workflow.